Maddy and Jimmy.
Hi guys, Maddie here.
And Jimmy.
And we are right in front of Hogwarts at Universal Studios in Los Angeles. I am so excited. I've been waiting to come here for so long. Let's go check it out. Some Berti bots, every flavoured beans. One of my personal favourite candies or sweets from the Harry Potter books. I've heard apparently in these boxes you can get booger flavoured, vomit flavoured, dirt, all of those delightful things. So I've got a plan. I'm going to buy a packet of these and convince Jimmy to eat one of the vomit ones. Hey Jimmy!
Yeah?
Yeah, so I bought these really yummy jelly beans. Do you want to try it?
Sort of looks like man. Oh, that tastes like actual vomit.
Well, it's vomit. Someone ate a mandarin and then vomited, and then that's a flavour.
Oh, that is so good. I need a butterbeer pronto.
I'm so excited, Jimmy. I have just bought myself a pumpkin juice.
And I have a butterbeer. Here we go. Oh man, that's like butter and ice went to a party and they had a really great time.
Yeah, this is like a delightful kind of fresh juice. It's really sweet.
I honestly thought that was going to be so horrible.
Yeah.
But that is really nice.
And I get a little hat. So it's not a real Hogsmeade experience if we don't go to the Owl Post. I need to get myself a new pet. So in the world of witchcraft and wizardry, there is no Australia Post. Everything is delivered by owl, which is so much more efficient. Hedwig is Harry's owl. Personally, if I had an owl, I would call her Olivia. Hope Chewbacca doesn't get jealous. Wow, what a day, Jimmy, at Hogwarts in Hogsmeade, exploring the grounds, Hagrid's grounds. It's just been magical.
Who knows where we're going to go to next? This has been Maddie and Jimmy. We'll see you next time.
Bye.